Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence and our jobs. You've probably seen the headlines, the sensational articles, and maybe you're feeling a little anxious about what the future holds. Is AI coming for your job? Well, let's cut through the noise and talk about what's really happening, especially for those of you just starting your careers. First, let's get one thing straight. The narrative that robots are going to take all our jobs is a massive oversimplification. History shows us that technological revolutions don't just destroy jobs, they transform them. The printing press didn't eliminate the need for writers. It created the entire publishing industry. The internet didn't get rid of communication. It created social media managers, digital marketers, and countless other roles we couldn't have imagined 30 years ago. AI is the next chapter in this story. So, where are we seeing the biggest impact right now? It's heavily concentrated in entry-level positions. Think about roles that involve repetitive, data-driven tasks. For example, in the past, a junior paralegal might spend weeks sifting through thousands of documents for a single case. Now, an AI can do that in a matter of hours, with greater accuracy. A junior marketing analyst might have spent their days compiling data from different sources into spreadsheets to create performance reports. Today, AI-powered dashboards can do that automatically, pulling in real-time data and even generating initial insights. This isn't just happening in law or marketing. Look at customer service. Basic queries are now often handled by sophisticated chatbots, freeing up human agents to deal with more complex, emotional, or high-stakes customer issues. In graphic design, AI tools can generate dozens of initial logo concepts or background images in seconds, changing the starting point for a junior designer's creative process. In coding, AI assistants can write boilerplate code, debug simple errors, and even suggest more efficient ways to structure a program, which dramatically changes the learning curve for a new developer. Now, hearing this might sound discouraging. If AI is doing the starter tasks, how is anyone supposed to get started? This is the core of the issue, and it's where we need to shift our perspective. The nature of an entry-level job is changing. It's no longer about just doing the grunt work. It's about being the human in the loop. Your new entry-level job isn't to be a human computer. Your job is to be the conductor of an AI orchestra. You're the one who needs to know what questions to ask the AI. You're the one who needs to evaluate the RE's output. Is the data it pulled accurate? Is the legal summary it generated capturing the right nuance? Is the code it wrote secure and scalable? The AI is a powerful tool, but it's still a tool. It doesn't have common sense, it doesn't understand business context, and it certainly doesn't have ethical judgment. That's where you come in. The value you bring is no longer in the manual execution of a task, but in the strategic oversight of it. This means the skills that are becoming most valuable are the uniquely human ones. I'm talking about critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, communication, and emotional intelligence. Can you take the raw output from an AI and turn it into a compelling story for a client? Can you spot a subtle bias in the data an AI has analyzed? Can you collaborate with a team to use AI tools to build something entirely new? This is a huge mental shift. The career ladder isn't what it used to be. You don't start at the bottom doing repetitive tasks for 5 years to earn the right to do more strategic work. In many fields, you're expected to bring strategic thinking from day one. You're learning on the job, not just by doing, but by directing, refining, and validating the work of an AI. So, what does this mean for you, practically speaking? How do you prepare for this new reality? First, embrace AI. Don't be afraid of it. Learn to use it. Play around with tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or whatever is relevant to your field. Understand their strengths and, more importantly, their weaknesses. Learning to write effective prompts, what they call prompt engineering, is quickly becoming a fundamental skill, just like knowing how to use a search engine was 20 years ago. You need to become the person in the office who knows how to get the best results from these tools. Second, double down on your soft skills. These are the skills that AI can't replicate. Take a public speaking course. Join a debate club. Work on team projects. Learn how to give and receive constructive feedback. Practice explaining complex topics in simple terms. These skills are your competitive advantage. In a world where everyone has access to the same powerful AI tools, your ability to communicate, collaborate, and think critically is what will set you apart. Third, cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning. The pace of change is accelerating. The specific AI tool that's popular today might be obsolete in 2 years. The key isn't to become an expert in one specific piece of software. The key is to become an expert in learning. Be curious. Be adaptable. Be willing to unlearn old ways of doing things and embrace new ones. Your career will not be a straight line. It will be a series of adaptations and pivots. The most successful people will be the ones who are most comfortable with being constant beginners. Let's reframe the fear. Instead of thinking AI will take my job, start thinking, how can I use AI to do my job better, faster, and more creatively? How can you use it to automate the boring parts of your job so you can focus on the interesting, high-impact work? How can it become your creative partner or your personal research assistant? The companies hiring today are looking for this exact mindset. They aren't looking for people to just follow instructions. They're looking for problem solvers who can take initiative and leverage new technologies to drive results. Showcasing your AI literacy in your resume and interviews can be a huge differentiator. Talk about how you've used AI in a personal project. Explain how you would use AI to tackle a problem the company is facing. This shows that you're not just ready for the future of work, you're actively building it. Ultimately, the future of the job market isn't a battle of humans versus AI. It's a partnership. The roles that will disappear are the ones that can be fully automated. But a whole new category of jobs is emerging. Jobs that require us to work alongside AI to augment our own abilities with its computational power. These are the jobs of the future, and they are available to you right now. The barrier to entry isn't a fancy degree or years of experience. It's your willingness to adapt and learn. So, don't let the headlines scare you. Get curious, get your hands dirty, and start building the skills that matter. The future of work is being written as we speak, and you have the opportunity to be one of its authors. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and hit that subscribe button for more content on navigating your career in this changing world. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What AI tools are you using? And what are your biggest questions about the future of work? Let's continue the conversation. See you in the next one. Ever wonder if a robot is coming for your job? Well, the truth is a bit more complex. AI isn't just about replacing jobs, it's about transforming them. Take healthcare, for example. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In finance, algorithms are managing investments and detecting fraud faster than any human ever could. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. So, what does this mean for you? The key is to adapt. Skills like critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity are becoming more valuable than ever because they're things AI can't replicate. New roles like AI ethics officers and prompt engineers are popping up. To get ahead, start learning about data analysis or take an online course in machine learning. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about collaborating with it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. The world of work is changing faster than ever, and let's be real, that can feel a little scary. But what if I told you it's also a massive opportunity? The key isn't to resist the change, but to lean into it. This is where continuous learning becomes your superpower. Think of your career not as a straight line, but as a series of exciting new chapters. Each chapter requires you to pick up new skills, whether it's coding, digital marketing, or creative problem solving. It's about staying curious and adaptable. And what about AI? Stop thinking of it as a replacement and start seeing it as your ultimate collaborator. Imagine a doctor using AI to analyze thousands of medical images in seconds, allowing them to focus on complex diagnoses and patient care. Or a creative professional using AI to generate initial ideas, freeing them up to refine and perfect the final product. It's not human versus machine, it's human plus machine. AI handles the data crunching and repetitive tasks, while we bring the creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence that no algorithm can replicate. So, here's my challenge to you. What's one new skill you can start learning this week? Embrace this new era of collaboration. Start building your future-proof career today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. As we wrap up our journey through the world of artificial intelligence, it's easy to get caught up in the technology itself. But the real story, the most important part, isn't just about the algorithms or the data. It's about us. It's about what makes us human. AI can process information at speeds we can't even imagine, but it can't replicate our spark of creativity, our deep sense of ethics, or our ability to dream up a future and strategically build a path to get there. These aren't just soft skills, they're our superpowers in this new era. Think about it. AI is a powerful tool, maybe the most powerful tool ever created. But a tool is only as good as the person wielding it. It's our vision that will guide AI's development, our moral compass that will ensure it's used for good, and our imagination that will unlock its true potential. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. So, my call to action for you is simple. Don't just be a passive observer of the AI revolution. Be an active participant. Lean into your creativity, sharpen your critical thinking, and engage with these tools responsibly. Ask the tough questions. Learn, experiment, and most importantly, use AI to amplify your own unique human abilities. By doing so, you're not just preparing for the future, you're actively shaping it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.